Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling essential components and understanding why each matters. The micro OLED delivers per eye resolution, IMU and cameras provide tracking. Once you have parts and a wiring diagram, mount the panels in the lightweight frame and loosely route cables. This prevents stress later. Make sure to test power rails with a bench supply before soldering batteries. You'll avoid damage and save time when you move to sensors, so complete these initial checks and secure everything solidly. Once done with basic assembly, focus on integration. You need reliable alignment between cameras and displays because parallax errors break immersion. Solder display flex to the driver board, then flash a test pattern and adjust timing parameters until images sync. Next, install the IMU and implement sensor fusion. Combine gyro and accelerometer with visual pose stabilization using an extended Kalman filter so head motion matches view. Make sure to secure cables to avoid You finish by making the headset wearable and functional. Set IPD and balance so visuals align with your eyes, then load a simple stereo UI app to verify rendering and audio. Once visual and input latency are acceptable, enclose electronics with thermal paths to avoid overheating. Test battery life under load. If things go wrong, start by checking ground loops and connector seating. Then rerun sensor calibration and swap suspect cables. These steps usually resolve intermittent tracking or display artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.